It's a very interesting headphone case. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. Is it like a pendulum? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we are looking at another pair of headphones from PaMu. These here are PaMu Quiet. I don't know. So it's actually a newer product of theirs. Essentially, I'm assuming it's something with active noise cancellation, so it gives you that nice quiet feel. We reviewed a lot of different headphones, so seeing exactly what these are about should be quite interesting comparing it to the others. So it came just like this, 3 boxes. This here's our product itself. Pretty cool, kind of showcases it right there. It looks like, I don't know if that's a necklace or some kind of charger port, I'm not sure. But you got your 2 headsets right there. All right, so it came with these 2 smaller boxes. I guess we can look at these first. So we have ourselves a PaMu case. All right, sweet. So this here is a belt, a little screwdriver. Okay. Okay. Whoa, that's a pretty cool looking case. Look at that. And then I'm assuming this belt goes with this. It's a very interesting headphone case. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. Is it like a pendulum? Anyways, right. We have some other things before we go into there. We'll look at that last. We have a few boxes here. Okay, another pouch, another cable, and a charging cable. Some earbuds. That's kind of nice. So you can always swap them out as you feel necessary. I'm not sure how you open. Oh, okay, that's how you open it. So there you are, and then just kind of do one of these numbers, just like that, and then you press the button like this. So cool. And it's got the LED. That's pretty wicked. And inside here houses our headphones. So these here are the PaMu Quiet. Shh. Pretty cool looking. Obviously there are no AirPods. They're different than AirPods, significantly different. You got these LEDs that are built into it. That's actually kind of cool right there. And they're kind of like coming out. There's you don't actually see the light. It's just kind of like showcasing through the structure of the headphones. They definitely have good noise cancellation. I can barely hear anything. All I hear is this beeping sound of it trying to connect to the Bluetooth device. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and see how fast you can pull up these earphones. There they are. PaMu left. Okay, pairing successful, connected. If you don't like the song, you can go ahead and skip it by simply pressing your right ear to skip to the first or the next song. Or you can go ahead and hit the left here and go ahead and skip back to the other song. And then if you hold this click button, it'll go ahead and turn on Siri. That is so cool. So the sound quality is on point. So these here are actually quite nice. They have a good amount of treble and a good amount of bass, creating a nice balance of music. I like the fact that they're also very quiet. I mean, when you put them on, it literally has really good active noise cancellation. Now, the fact that you have the capability to connect to this with Siri by simply holding the click button, and then you can go ahead and skip the songs by simply tapping on the right ear or the left ear is actually very unique. So definitely smart headphones for the fact that you can go ahead and use it for a variety of functions. Now, it having its own built-in microphone, you can go ahead and talk on there too. So it's actually really cool. Now, other than that, I mean, they're pretty straightforward in terms of headphones. Just go ahead and slap them back in here, just like this. And you go and close the case, and you can go ahead and charge it. And it's even got an LED ring that goes around it. That is really cool. So definitely very futuristic, very nice, and yeah, there you guys have it. This here is the PaMu Quiet. A really cool smart headphone device, especially if you're looking into something new. This might be the one for you. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.